We got to find it. We got to figure it. We got to fund it, fix it, fill it, flip it. Fun. Guess what? It's not always fun, guys. Everything's got to line up. You got to apply the same energy to every single framework. I could easily, and I'm talking easily, spend 3 to 4 hours on each one of the 6 frameworks right here. Now, once we cover a raw deal drop, I cannot obviously cover all of them at once, but on certain deal drops, we're gonna spend a special attention on finding it. Maybe other ones on the figure it, fund it. So we're gonna have a good mix. Eventually, we're going to have a full-blown course on each one of these that we will add as a resource that anybody that needs that extra educational, that'll be available for you if you decide to add on to it. But that's in the works. There's lots of things coming, but just know where our focus is going to be. In my opinion, the most important investment factors are timing and the direction we are going in the market cycle. You can never time the market, but you can get the direction right most of the time. This is what I mean. This is the real estate market cycle. Where do you think we are right now in North Texas in the housing market? We have the tipping point. Prices begin to fall, compensating for the overbuilding and high prices. Foreclosures begin rising as homeowners cannot sell due to owning more than their home is worth. Then we have the decline. Prices continue to fall. Foreclosures flood the market. People are fearful of buying, causing even more inventory and driving prices down. And then we go to the bottom. Prices bottom out, causing investors to start purchasing much of the excess inventory. Deals are plentiful and cash flow is at an all-time high. Decline. Confidence among home buyers improves, leading to more sales, decrease in inventory, and higher prices. The peak. Prices are at an all-time high. Inventory is down. Multiple offers are coming, even above asking price. This is very important. Like I said, we can never time it right, because if you wait for the perfect opportunity to time the market, you're going to lose out. But we can most definitely get the timing and the direction correctly. So right now, it is my belief that we are in here somewhere in the red circle. We are in between the decline and the bottom for housing in North Texas. So I won't acquire any properties now until we've reached the bottom and we've started the climb. That's why it's very tough to do fix and flips right now, because I cannot predict what my after repair value is going to be. So that's why I've been on the sidelines. That's why in 17 years, I have underperforming deals. That has never happened before, but the market has changed. And that's when you need to change your strategy. That's when you need to maybe look at different exit strategies, different hold, different capital stacks, different structures, different assets. So we're going to cover all this, okay? Just want to mention that. These are the assets and these are the strategies that I like for 2026. Private lending with conservative terms. Seller finance with large down payments. I call this being a lien lord. Lien as in, let's put a lien in this house. Anytime you can control a deal without ownership, liabilities, I am all for that. It's very scalable. You don't have as many headaches and liabilities as ownerships. You're not managing tenants, managing contractors. You're just managing the finance. You're controlling the deal. So this is always a plus. I'm a big fan of that. We're going to be covering a lot of that in this program. A lot of seller finance, a lot of reps, a lot of notes, a lot of private lending. We'll get into all that fun stuff. Affordable housing, under 400K and build to rent. I say 400K because our market, the medium price for a home it's almost 500,000 now. So depending on your market, this might be way south of 400K. This is just an example here in my market. Another asset that I really is land, lots. Land is very hot. Manufactured homes with land. This is one of my favorite asset classes right now. One of our case studies coming up in January is going to be all manufactured homes with land. And I love those deals. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to get into one. And you don't even need a six-figure capital to get into them. And then the last one here is opportunistic and seller finance, small commercial properties under 5 million, like mobile home parks, RV parks, light industrial with multi-tenants, flex spaces. Those are assets that I very much like right now. Couple of things that I mentioned this so you can keep an eye open, start implementing and start looking for this types of stuff. If you need a partner, I can obviously work with you. This is the whole idea why we are doing this, not only to educate you and help you in your business, but if you need to supplement whatever you need, capital, expertise into your deals, that's what we are here for. We are active in this space. You can check out our YouTube channel. We post everything in there before and after and during our construction process. We have tons of case studies. Every single deal we have ever done, it is all in our Dropbox. I encourage you to do the same. We have all HUDs, paper trail, and proven track record, years and years. It brings tremendous value when you are raising money and staying organized through multiple projects. I'm going to show you exactly as we go through each deal drop on how we organize everything, why we do what we do, what type of documents do we keep, what do we share, all that stuff. It's all going to be shared. On each property that we have,